Here comes a simple and beautiful bracelet tutorial. Insert 2 pearls and crystals. Pull it to the end of the line and tie some knots. Add a bead to pearls and a crystal like this. Go back through the crystal. Go through this pearl. Add a bead pearl and 2 crystals like this. Go back through the pearl. Go through the pearl. Repeat the above steps to the appropriate length. Go through the pearl and crystal. Add 2 pearls and 1 crystal. Go through the crystal. Add 1 crystal and 2 pearls. Go back through the crystal. Add 1 bead and go through the crystal like this. Add 2 pearls. Go back through 2 crystals. Add 1 bead and go through the crystal. Add 1 crystal and 1 pearl. Go back through the crystal. Repeat the above steps to complete the bracelet. Add 1 bead and go through the pearl. Complete the bracelet. Add 4 beads and go through the bead. Repeat the above steps to complete the bracelet. Add pearl bead and magnetic button. Go through the pearl, tighten it, and you are done.